Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the directive principles of state policy? Part 4. Which was the first state in India formed on a linguistic basis? Andhra Pradesh. Constitution Day of India is also known as National Law Day. Which amendment of the Constitution of India lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? 61st. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? President. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? 12. A bill passed by both Houses of Parliament and assented to by the President is called Act. In which amendment the words socialist and secular were added to the preamble of the Constitution of India? 42nd. Which is the upper house of the Parliament of India? Rajya Sabha. Which committee proposed to add fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Swaran Singh Committee. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? 26 November 1949. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that there shall be a President of India? 52. When was the Indian Penal Code came into operation? 1862. How many sessions of the Constituent Assembly of India were conducted for the formulation of the Indian Constitution? 11. Who was the chairman of the Rules of Procedure Committee of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Rajendra Prasad. Right to privacy comes under which article? Article 21. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? The President. Which one of the following is not a type of writ in the Constitution of India? Procedendo. What is the minimum age required to contest in the Panchayat election? 21 years. Which one of the following is not a type of emergency under the Indian Constitution? External emergency. Which schedule contains the powers, authority and responsibilities of municipalities? 12th schedule. Who was the first deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha? M.A. Iyengar. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the citizenship of India? Part 2. Who was the first Indian ambassador to the United States? Asaf Ali.